Hello friends! Today I'm making onion rava dosa, a crispy, lacy South Indian crepe that's perfect for breakfast. In a large mixing bowl, add half cup fine semolina, half cup rice flour, and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Also add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and half teaspoon salt. Combine all the dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, add 1½ cup of water to the dry ingredients and whisk until smooth. Cover the batter and rest for 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, let's chop some aromatic ingredients. In a hand mixer, add 1 chopped medium-sized onion, a handful of cilantro, and 3-4 green chilies. Pulse the mixer for a rough chop of the veggies. And then add them to this rested Sooji mixture. Next, add 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon chopped curry leaves. Stir everything together well. Finally, add 2½ additional cups of water. The batter must be very thin, much thinner than regular dosa batter. The consistency should be like buttermilk and it should flow easily from a ladle. Preheat a tawa or non-stick pan on high for 2 minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium-high. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the pan so that it is lightly greased. Hold the ladle about 6-7 inches above the pan and pour batter in a circular motion, starting from the outer edge, moving inward. The batter should make holes and have a lacy structure. Drizzle a little bit of oil or ghee around the edges and a few drops in the middle. Let it cook on medium-high until the bottom is golden and the edges are crisp, about 2 to 3 minutes. Fold your crispy dosa and serve it hot with your favorite tomato or coconut chutney. Enjoy!